Hello everyone, welcome to the Bad Ideas channel. My name is Nathan Carpenter, otherwise known as Bobby, and today I'll be showing you how we record and edit our videos. To start the installation process, you go ahead and download a virtual cable, opening the RAR file. Next you create a simple folder on your desktop, and you extract the files to that folder. After you have extracted the files, you go ahead and run the setup times 64 in administrative mode. This right here will be different for you. Mine says remove, yours will stay install. Go ahead and install the driver. After you've installed the driver, it will prompt you to restart your computer. You do not need to do this. Right click the speaker icon, click sounds. Go to your playback devices, right click your cable input, and set it as default. Next, go to your cable output. In the recording tab, click properties, check the listen to this device box, and then use your default speakers that you usually use as the playback through this device. Now you are done with setting up virtual cable. Next, open the sound settings tab. Next, click the app volume and device preferences. Go to Discord and set your output default to your speakers. Now it's time to set up recording. Download OBS. Go ahead and run the exe. Run as administrator. Say yes to it. And then run through the setup. I have already downloaded the application, so mine will be different from yours. Now open OBS. First we're going to go right to the settings tab. Then go to the output and set the output mode to advanced. Next go to the recording tab. Set the recording path to a place that makes sense to you and has enough space to hold your files. Recording format will be MP4, it's easiest to work with. Your audio tracks will be 3, tick all 3 boxes. The encoder, depending on what computer you use, times 264 will be easiest for your computer to run, so if you have a worse off computer, use that. CBR will be your rate control. You will have 12K as your bitrate. Profile will be high, then you can click apply. Make sure the CPU usage preset is on very fast. Now for the other encoder, make sure you use CBR as well. Lossless would be high file size, which is fine if you want the best quality, but if you don't have a lot of space, don't use this. You want the preset on max quality and your profile on high. Next go to the audio tab. Set your desktop audio to your default speakers. Next set your mic to your actual microphone, then set the mic 2 as the cable output. Make sure the video output scaled resolution is at 1920 by 1080. Sometimes it will be at 1280 by 720. Downscale filter, keep it up by cubic. Common FPS values, put it at 60. Then click apply. You can use hotkeys if you would like. I use the recording and stop recording hotkey just so I don't have to worry about pressing the record button. Advanced tab you can leave as normal. Then click apply and OK. Next we will be setting up the sources for OBS. Go to the sources and press the plus button, and then click the game capture. At default, it will be capture as a full screen application, which is completely fine for most games as long as they are full screen. If not, you will use a window capture instead of game capture. Next, go over to the cogwheel on your audio mixer, advanced audio properties, and make sure there's 3 tracks toggled, and each thing is on a separate track. Just like how I have mine. Click close. And that will do it for part 1 of the series. Part 2 with Vegas Pro 14 will come out very shortly after, and that will describe on how we edit the videos. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment down below, and subscribe to stay in tune for more videos to come. Thanks for watching everybody. This is Bobby, signing off.